Welcome to Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make ginger and turmeric shots. Okay, so over here I have ginger, and what I've done is cut a piece out over here, taking the skin off. We also have some turmeric here, fresh turmeric, and this is one full lemon cut in half. So these are the things that we're going to use. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this turmeric over here and just grate this on the side over here. Another thing I'm going to do is use this lemon, and I'm going to just juice it with this juicer so that all the lemon juice is dropped into this container, and then I'll use it for the recipe. Okay, so we've grated some of the ginger and also the turmeric. I've also juiced out the lemon. Now we ain't using a large amount. So the amount that we've grated is for, let's say, a handful of people, but you can always double it, triple it, quadruple it, just depending on how many people are in your household, or if you wanted to serve this to a large group of people, you can just increase the quantities. Okay, so this is the lemon juice. I'm just gonna put this into the jug. It's not too much, but it will do the trick for now. That goes inside. Now what I'm going to do is just use a spoon and the grated ginger that goes inside, and we have the grated turmeric. Turmeric, we've spoken about its benefits on this channel, so you can find that. I'm going to give you guys a task to find the videos where turmeric is spoken of and used. So this is all of turmeric that goes inside. I'm going to place a pinch of black pepper, and the reason for this is because it actually helps you absorb the turmeric in a far superior way compared to if you don't put it inside. So whatever maximizes the benefits of turmeric, just do that. Okay, so I'm going to use some warm water, and I've warmed it up in the kettle. So I'm just going to fill it up. I'll show you how much, maybe a third of the jug, around this much. But I just speak about the quantity, so if you have increased quantities, you can perhaps double the amount of water that you place inside. I'm just going to give it a good shake. So let's just do that. Let it just blend really nicely into the water. So you can actually store this in a bottle similar to this, and just keep it maybe in the fridge or on the side, and then have it during the week. The other thing, what we are going to do today is we have these shot glasses. So when you place it in that bottle that I've shown you, the glass bottle, you can then just use it during the week, and you can use one of these shot glasses where you just put in a small quantity of these or of this drink, and then you can have it in the morning. And it's great to have it in this quantity as a shot, because it's a very good immunity booster. And the year that we have gone through, it's the best thing to do to have something like this in the morning, so that the rest of your day you can feel just that boost. Your body can get that boost that it kind of needs to just just get through the day. Okay, so I've poured out the shots, and because it may be a little bit bitter initially, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just place a little bit of honey into each of these. So you can put in, actually let me just put in 1 little teaspoon of that into this, and yeah, just do that to each one. Just going to give you one example over here, and that will give you the sweetness that you need for this amazing beverage. So this is a bottle that you can store this ginger and turmeric drink into, but what we've done is, this is how you want to drink it, in one of these shot glasses. So you place it in a bottle, you can keep it for like a week, maybe have it in the refrigerator, and then take out this quantity, have it in the morning. It's a magnificent immune booster, and that's very, very important, especially during this time that we are in terms of the human race, even though saying that sounds a bit dramatic. Okay, let me taste this. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Now, this tastes good because it's got lemon in it, ginger in it, turmeric in it, and then honey in it, and some black pepper in it. So you saw that within the ingredients. It doesn't taste bad. It actually tastes good. And I'm not gonna be like, wah, because this isn't like, you know, I'm having some biryani or something like that, but it tastes good. And especially for what it does, especially for what it brings, especially for the profile of drink that it is, it's something that you must seriously consider making and storing, like maybe within a glass like this, or in a bottle glass like this. And then, as we've shown you, you take a little bit out and then you have it in this shot quantity. You start off the day like this, magnificent. You're going outside, you're going to the gym, you're going to work. If some of you are studying, you're going to a place of study, wherever you're going, have this immune booster and it's happy days. So with that said, do like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases, share this content to as many people as possible, comment below if you have any recommendations, and with that said, catch you in the next one.